Fair coffee is a well-known concept in the industry. But what about the coffee machines that brew it? Sharing the honest story behind our coffee machines is important to us. We are committed to a transparent supply chain. All our machines are manufactured in Dutenchem. At least 75% of all parts are made in Europe based on the declarations of origin provided by our suppliers. This ensures quality and facilitates compliance with our standards. We have established a code of conduct for our suppliers, requiring them to comply with our standards for the environment, fair labor, and ethical practices. Our machines are built for longevity. When we develop the machines, we select robust materials, and we use recycled materials where possible. The machines are easily accessible for repair, and spare parts remain available for a long time. Every machine comes with an 8-year warranty on the Brauman brewing unit and grinder. Once our machines reach the end of their life cycle, at least 95% of their components can be recycled. This is documented in the material passport available for each type of machine. Our production facility is carbon neutral. We reduce emissions through solar panels and LED lighting. Part of our office building is equipped with electric heating. We offset the remaining CO2 in collaboration with a local foundation, ensuring that our operations are fully carbon neutral. Our machines have an A+ energy rating. These ratings are determined based on our own energy measurements, following the EVA protocol. We separate waste streams and use recyclable packaging. Our employees can rely on a safe and healthy work environment. We support diversity through flexible work options and promote health with initiatives such as a cycling plan, medical checkups, and sporting events. These initiatives encourage a healthy and active lifestyle. We collaborate with local schools to offer internships and graduation opportunities. We also support various local charities with donations from initiatives brought forward by our employees.